Hello guys, hello, I'm Yelena, welcome back to my channel. Now today let's make some jungle animals cupcakes. So here's I have rose tip with some blue icing, and I'm gonna do elephant. So we'll start with ears. So the skinny part of the rose tip will face out, and let's pipe some ears first, like so. Alright, and then use the same color icing, only just plain bag, and I just cut the end off. And let's pipe the head. And again, I'm using my crusting icing buttercream, so this allows me to pat down with paper towel all uneven places and icing or the rough spots, and I can smooth it out with the paper towel as well. So that's how I make my piping for the figurines. And then let's make some black for the eyes. Alright, and a little light spots on the eyes, kind of make it cuter. And the video before this one, I made a cake. It's for baby girl jungle theme cake, and because it's for the girls, so we put some bows on some animals. So the elephant had animal. Elephant had the little pink bow, so we'll just do the same. All right, and here I will show you how I make cupcakes when I have quite a few of them to do with the same design. So I'm kind of doing them all details at the same time. So we start from ears. So I'm gonna go ahead and pipe ears on all the cupcakes, just like that. Then I'm gonna arrange them and take different bag without tip, and let's pipe the heads. And again, I'm gonna put that on each cupcake. So that way I feel like I'm not wasting much time and it goes faster for me. Alright, and let's do the rest of the animals. All right, and here's the finished cupcakes. What you guys think? I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I was able to show you something new. All cupcakes done with buttercream only, no fondant here. Write me comments what other animals you like me to do, or anything else in piping. I like to do so. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye, love you so much.